guys, so we're going to be doing the next update. So this is Colorful Threads and I am Juliet, and welcome to my version of this old house where we're working on the first room in the house, the fabric storage room right here behind me. Stay tuned. We made it down to the main boards. They're putting a whole new one along the front edge. We're going to be putting supports under each one of these like it should be down through here. It's looking good. Okay guys, so I blinked, left for a couple of hours and came back, and 90% of the floor is done. So check this out. There's plywood all the way to the last strip. The room is getting almost done. 3/4 inch. Boom. We have the floor in completely, and I have my shelving laid out. So I think I'm going to do 2 3-foot sections here. This wall is going to get 2 3-foot sections, a 4-foot section, a 3-foot section, a 3.5-foot section, and 2 4-foot sections, and that will completely line the whole room with shelving. Enough shelving to do it. Thought I was going to make the wall blank, but I think I'm just going to do it all shelving. So that's the update for today. The next thing that we're going to do is they're going to be doing the wall panels and the ceiling panels. So next update will be that, and then probably building the shelving. So thanks for stopping by. See you guys later. Bye.